One day, Little Duck saw something shiny in the water. "What's that?" he said. A clear plastic bag floated there. Little Duck touched it. It felt cold and slippery. Then he saw more trash. Bags, straws, bottle caps. Little Duck remembered Mommy's words. Trash can make the pond sick. Little Duck felt worried. He swam over quickly. He picked up a bag. He picked up a straw. He picked up a bottle cap. He took all the trash to the edge of the pond. Little Duck got tired. But the pond looked clean. Nature stays healthy when we care. How can you help today?